Hey Judy.
Hey Koo! Hi guys! I'm actually at the Fun Factory, located at the bottom of Clifton Hill, right beside Movieland Wax Museum. We're about to shoot a segment of Must Have Mondays. For the sports lover in your family, or your friends, we have these really cool tiki sports teams totem poles. There's hockey, and then there's also football. These ones here actually light up, which is actually neat because it's a little flame at the top. I think they would actually be really cool in an office, or your room, or a man cave, anywhere that you really want to show that team pride. Having nightmares? We got the perfect thing for you. We have a whole wall here of dream catchers. I love these dream catchers. They're absolutely beautiful. There's tons of colors for you to choose from. They actually come in all different shapes and sizes as well. So we have like these cute little heart ones here. They actually make noise. So if you have like a nice open window, here, if you can you get that too? Neat, right? And then actually like these ones as well. They're super big. A lot of people use these to actually just hang up in their room as decor. There's lots of patterns in here. It's like a nice crochet style. And then you also have like the beautiful lace that kind of goes down like that. They come in all different colors. Every style has a different color. So there's also a black one back here. And if you actually just pan down, you can see that there's a rainbow style here. It's actually, oh, you can see more of the crochet here. So you can see my hand right in the back. Can you see? So this is actually all crocheted. And I don't know if anyone out there actually crochets, but it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort and a lot of love. So there's actually miniature ones down here as well. I remember when I was a kid, I had a star and moon themed type of room, and I would have loved to have these in my room. It's just like a nice touch. There's white, there's black. So if you had like two beside each other, that'd be really cool. And then you have the feathers that come off of it as well. And then if you kind of pan down, we have beaded ones. So these ones are a little bit more different than the ones that we'd previously shown. They have like beads that kind of make a sun. They have the nice tassels here, and then of course the feathers on the bottom. Here we have some more rainbow, and then this is actually an interesting one as well. This yin yang one. If you need somebody to balance out your dreams or something to help you out, this is the one. What you want to do before you put the bath bomb in is actually light some candles to set a more relaxing mood. This one here is white cucumber peach. They actually smell so good. But what's really cool about these candles is that they actually have handcrafted jewelry on the inside. So if you follow the instructions on the back, it tells you that you can reveal jewelry that's worth $20 to $6,000, which would be extra awesome after your super, super busy day on the hill. So, whether you're a sports fan, having nightmares, or you just want to relax with a bath and a candle, Fun Factory Clifton Hill got you covered. Thank you for joining us for another Must Have Mondays. I'm Judy for CliftonHill.com.